And our team coverage moves now to Doral, where city leaders are teaming up with Global Empowerment Mission and South Florida's Venezuelan community to send help to the people hit the hardest. CBS News Miami's Abby Dodge is your reporter live in Doral. And Abby, how quickly are these donations going to make it to Venezuela?
Well, Lauren, Jim has operated in Venezuela since 2018. They're hoping to get aid to them tomorrow, definitely by this weekend. The volunteers here making quick work of all of the generosity pouring in. Packaged with love from one Venezuelan community to another, volunteers ventured away from their television screens to take action in a time of need for their community.
I have two options: or cry on my bed and see everything that is happening, or come to here, grab maybe 30 minutes, 40 minutes, and help these people that need our support.
Many in the crowd today have family and friends in the region, but getting aid there may be challenging. Dr. Dulce Suarez with FIU's Academy of International Disaster Preparedness says the biggest task at hand right now is evaluating roads, bridges, and ports to figure out how to bring the supplies in.
Once you know the map, not where you could send the help, that's how we're going to get that aid directly. Until then, the heroes right now are those organizations working in Venezuela who are grassroots.
Suarez says it's important to donate to trusted organizations like GEM. The city of Doral established a partnership with GEM today as the official donation drop-off site.
This is the result. We are a very united community, no matter where they're from. Everybody's Venezuela today.
Jim will start taking those donations again tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. They'll also be open on Saturday as well for even more donations from the community. Live from Doral, Abby Dodge, CBS News, Miami.
Always inspiring to see how quickly South Florida steps up to help others. Abby, thank you. And for more ways you can help, you can visit our website, cbsmiami.com, and be sure to stick with CBS News Miami for the latest developments out of Venezuela.